Hi, do you procrastinate? Turns out that many of us procrastinate. I have a toothache, but it's not too bad. I'll wait till weekend to consult the dentist. I know that exercise is good for me, but I'll start from tomorrow. Students procrastinate on studying and submitting assignments. Adults procrastinate on a wide variety of things. We procrastinate on our health needs, our work, projects, finance, relationships, and other major decisions in life. And then we regret. The common remedy suggested for procrastination is time management skills. Many people apply these skills and report that is helping them only partially or not consistently. Do you know the reason why time management skills are not helping? It's because each one of us procrastinate for a different reason. Only after we find out the root cause for our individual procrastination, work on it and rectify it, time management skills become useful. In this workshop, the flow is: what do we procrastinate? How do we procrastinate? And let us spend more time on the crucial question: why do we procrastinate? And then discuss ways of overcoming procrastination. The medium of the workshop is in English. If you want the same workshop fully in Tamil, please write to me. I'll plan it at a later date. The workshop is on 28th October 2023 from 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. at the Westin Chennai, Velachery. The registration fee is rupees 7,000, but there is an early bird offer that is rupees 6,000 till 20th October 2023. Now, that is something you may not want to procrastinate on. See you at the workshop. Goodbye and thank you for your time. Bye.